All right, guys, we are unboxing and taking a look at this TOLOCO Massage Deep Tissue Gun. The reason I'm doing a review of this one is because this has to be the #1 selling massage gun on Amazon. Currently, over 10,000 per month are being sold. This thing is absolutely flying off the shelves. And not only that, but we have almost 12,000 4.5 to 5-star reviews. That's incredible numbers. From that alone, you know this is the one to go with because you're not going to have to worry about getting a model that doesn't work well and having to return it or anything like that. People are loving it. So if you just go based on that alone, I've always found that that's going to be a smart decision. Let's go ahead and unbox it though, so you can see what's going on here. Now, I love having these. You know, I work out a lot, and the fact is like, dude, you never know when you're going to get some type of soft tissue issue. Okay, this is a freaking nice one, dude. Wow. How much is this? Oh my God. Okay, now I'll be honest with you guys. I have reviewed probably 10 to 15 of these massage guns. I have reviewed massage guns. I kid you not, that are well into the triple digits. I don't think I can say numbers on here. Let's say hundreds. That many hundreds they are not, it's not as quality as this. This feels so much sturdier. It's got a really nice grip here. You can see like a grippy handle. There's just something about it in your hand. You're like, okay, this is a tool, dude. A tool to get better. So you have different attachments. I'll just kind of set them out there so you can see. Different hardness levels. A lot of attachments here. Wow, okay. Let's move that out of the way and just kind of pull these out so you can see them all. So definitely more attachments than I'm used to seeing with a lot of these companies. Oh yeah, definitely. Holy crap. It's pretty good. I've never seen some of these before, and I've reviewed, like I said, you do also have a USB-C charger to recharge it. Yeah. Where's that plug at? Where's the USB-C plug? Just so you know. Oh, it's at the bottom here. USB-C plug right at the bottom there. This is also how you turn it on and off. What I'm going to do, let's do a softer one. So this is the one, if you want to get in there hard, this is a hard plastic. But I'm going to go ahead and do the soft ball. Well, it's not really a soft ball, but it's like a foamy hard ball. Let's go ahead and just turn it on. And all right, so it looks really cool back here for sure. All right, so we got it going, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that, but it is hitting. So that's setting 1. We'll go ahead and run through them all. That's setting 2, setting 3. And I'm not even sure how many settings there are. I'm up to 6 right now. Okay, so 7 is max. And this thing is going to work, dude. This thing is going to work. So I use it personally on like elbow, quad stuff. I also have like a hamstring tendon back here that's a little sensitive. So these are the kind of things that you want to have whether you're going to the gym or not. Just great for like keeping your tissues kind of like worked out, getting some blood flow in there and kind of warming everything up before you work. But one of the things I was really impressed with this is it goes up to level 7, but it's really hardcore. Like it gets very deep tissue, but it's also very quiet. That really impressed me with this. I'm not used to seeing that with this caliber of gun. Typically, kind of the bigger they get, the more loud they are. This thing's quiet and powerful. Like I said, you have 10 different heads. This thing's absolutely amazing. Like I said, I've reviewed probably 10 to 15 of these things. At that price point, it's very easy for me to understand why everyone's buying this one. Because if you don't go with something like this, you're going to be paying probably like 5 to 7x what this costs to get something of the same caliber. That's how much the value is here. I highly recommend this one.